Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share with you 10 life hacks that you will love for a happier and healthier life. As you soon watch the video and learn about these 10 life hacks, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Let us know if you have tried any of these hacks before and how they worked for you. I know how difficult it can be to stay positive and healthy when life gets busy and stressful. But trust me, these hacks have helped me a lot, and I'm sure they'll work for you too. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Get enough sleep. I know, you've heard it before. But seriously, getting enough sleep is essential for a healthy and happy life. Not only does it help with concentration and productivity, but it also affects our mental and physical health. Number 2. Start your day with gratitude. Starting your day with gratitude can make a huge difference in your life. Every morning, take a few minutes to think about the things you're grateful for. It can be as simple as having a roof over your head, or having a supportive family and friends, or having a job. Number 3. Drink more water. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good health. It helps with digestion, flushes out toxins, and improves our skin's appearance. So make sure to carry a water bottle with you wherever you go, and aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 4. Move your body. Exercise is not only good for physical health, but it also has mental health benefits. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve our mood. So find a physical activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Number 5. Meditate. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and for a good reason. It can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and improve concentration. So take a few minutes every day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and clear your mind. Number 6. Disconnect from technology. We live in a world where we're constantly connected to technology, and it can be overwhelming. So take a break from your phone, laptop, and other devices, and spend some time in nature or with your loved ones. Number 7. Learn something new. Learning something new can stimulate our minds and increase our creativity. It can also boost our confidence and self-esteem. So pick up a new hobby, read a book, or take an online course. Number 8. Practice self-care. Self-care is all about taking care of ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally. It can be as simple as taking a relaxing bath, treating yourself to a massage, or doing something that makes you happy. Number 9. Make time for your relationships. Relationships are essential for our well-being, so make sure to spend time with your loved ones regularly. It can be a movie night, a dinner, or a simple picnic in the park. Number 10. Practice gratitude daily. Lastly, but certainly not least, practice gratitude daily. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Write them down in a journal or simply say them out loud. These 10 life hacks may seem small, but they can make a big difference in your life. Remember, self-care is not selfish. Taking care of yourself is essential to living a happy and fulfilling life. Try implementing them into your daily routine and see how they can improve your overall happiness and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel to support us and stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.